Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Taylor with the Cyber and U team. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to cover a little bit about AVG and its free download. So here we're just going to go to this link and I'll drop it down in the comment section below so you can see it. And the next thing we're going to do is just click this free download button. And now you can see that we're going to install it just like we would install any software on our Windows system. It comes up with a pretty cool little user interface here. And once we get it installed, hey, you're protected. We'll do continue. You can actually download a mobile tool. I'm not going to do it right now. I can show you that a little bit later in a video. And so here's the user interface that we use. And you can see right there exactly what's protected, what you're using. So you can see that your computer's protected and your web and email is protected. You have 3 other options for further protection if you do the upgrades, but again, we're covering the free versions. So we're going to go ahead and start our scan. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and scan the computer for any malware, viruses, anything like that. So I just want to go ahead and take this time to explain why we are using AVG, because you know with Windows we actually use Windows Defender, but that antivirus program is not going to catch every single virus definition that's out there. So we're going to do what we call a layered security. So I'm going to use AVG in conjunction with Windows, and I actually typed a blog about the detection percentage that AVG is used. It actually catches 100% of the viruses. If you'd want to go ahead and check that out, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below so you can look at that on our website. But as you can see, we're actually scanning for viruses and other malware. And so it's just going to go ahead and run through this process. And this is what you're going to typically see with any antivirus software. You're going to go ahead and do scans anytime that you feel like you might be infected. So when your computer's running slower than normal, you're like, oh, well, maybe I got infected. Maybe you clicked on a link that you shouldn't have. So you might want to just go ahead and run these scans periodically. You can actually set it up in the settings to run automatically on downtime as well. So the scan's complete, and we're finishing the scan here, and it just takes us right back to the user interface. And it's as simple as that. And of course, if you like this video, just go ahead and follow us on Twitter at CyberandU1, and just go ahead and check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to check us out on cyberandu.com. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell notification. Thanks.